Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today I'm back at Hampton Downs by way of a change. I love this place, and we're going to be with the launch of the all-new Mazda CX8 SUV. It's 7 seaters, and have a look at this one. Size-wise, the CX8 is more CX9 than CX5. Very much got the Kodo design from Mazda. Very good looking. The horizontal theme, beautiful lines down the side. Very much lower stance to it. Look at that. 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. Actually front-wheel drive. Inside there's beautifully finished. There's the two extra seats at the back. There's a 175 headroom, and like I said, the finishing across is impeccable. The likes of Napa leather, satin chrome accents, Bose speakers. So first impressions, that beautiful new car smell. Dashboards, very Mazda are calling this very driver-centric, and I tend to agree. It's very comfortable and very smooth. From a driver point of view, there's very defined areas. You've got obviously the infotainment up here, you've got down here, you've got temperature control, and then all your settings, but everything's very within hands reach and arms reach, which is, I know it's kind of should be obvious, but in many cars it isn't. Yeah, G-vectoring control, so it makes that these corners are going to be a breeze. There's no braking involved. Look at that. Very smooth. And for those that get car sick, there won't be any of those issues. Should get around 1,200 kilometers out of a full tank in real-world driving, which will be kind of interesting. Mazda are forging ahead in the SUV market. They really are bringing their Japanese culture, their attention to detail into the SUV area. It's got a nice turn into a nice feel. Feels light, feels responsive. I've been driving this CX8 for a while now, and to be honest, you'd be hard pushed to pick that this is a diesel. It's got a hint of dieselness about it from an oral point of view, but it just picks up really quickly and drives really well. The days of the old diesel are over. This is just a really nice drive. And considering this is a family touring wagon for everyday life, it's just really smooth, really comfortable. Great driving around these tight twisties around the Waikato area. It's just delicious, actually. I'm really enjoying it. How bizarre. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.